Ladies and gentlemen, there's something, a very special award. Now we are going to announce this. We call this Biker Award. I think you really want to know about this. What is this Biker Award is all about? Let me just give you some brief. And I think this is going to be a very exciting award and an exciting category. So we have the Biker Award, and they are very inspiring riders called the Biker Birds of Roads. Bike really organized by the Gramalaya and in the partnership of the Birds of Bikers and the Banega Swasth India. These riders began their journey from the Tiruchirappalli on November 15, 2025, covering nearly 5,000 kilometers across 10 states, spreading awareness about the menstrual hygiene, promoting dignity, strengthening and movement for the period-friendly India. Their commitment, their energy and their encourage on this long route have carried on the message to countless communities on their way. Today, we have reached the Delhi, conclude their journey right here at our summit. We are honored to receive them. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Birds of Roads, the Biker Award we have. Requesting, give it a hand and let's welcome them. They have traveling across the 10 states to reach this destination, to complete this journey. The Birds of Bikers. I request for this very special award, of course, we have a very special person. I request karungi. I request the Shri Ravi Bhatnagar sir, please kindly do the honor. Give award, present award to the Birds of Bikers. Everyone, once again, please join hands together for the Birds of Biker. Once again, please give it a hand for the Birds of Roads, Birds of Bikers. I'm sure you must have the wonderful journey throughout the time, 10 states, 5,000 kilometers. It is actually a big number, I think. Who's going to travel from the different states just to promoting the menstrual hygiene, about the periods positivity, and I think we need this kind of a youth, a young, talented people across India.